On the back side, after you wire the front end, you're going to have just your brick coming through. And when you look down in through here, you're going to take your excess length, you're going to have it fall to the right side of this post here. And essentially what you're going to do is, from the outside, how it looks like this, you'll loop it up and over like this, and it'll fall around the post like so. So from right here, you make your loop, up and over, and you just pull tight, and then you're going to bring the excess away from the cart, and you're going to take this length of cord here and you're going to wrap it around the brick. So I just kind of roll it up. And then you're going to test fit it to see if your length is good. And if it is, you're going to need to secure all of this wound up cord to the brick. Some chargers, the Velcro strip on them is long enough that you can bring it around and actually wrap around the whole brick, and it'll come over and strap back onto itself. But in this case, these chargers, the Velcro strip isn't long enough. So we're going to use a zip tie. These ones are about 1 foot long. And you just kind of wrap the zip tie around your cord here. And then I cut the excess off of it. And so you have a nicely wound up brick and cord. Now when you do these trays can have a brick, one on the bottom and one on the top. Just feed that to the bottom like these here, 2 and 2. And then this one falls on the bottom here, so now you're going to take your power cord with the twist tie still on it. Remember, we didn't do anything here. When you unplug all of them, they all have twist ties on them. And then I just like to give myself some extra length on the part that plugs in. So you just pull it through and then just tighten the the twist tie up so it's wound tighter. And then once you have your power cable like this, you'll plug the end that goes into the brick into it. And then, like I said earlier, since these stack on top of each other, to keep it neat, the bottom brick will plug into your bottom power strip. That's good.